Won't believe what I found. This is the weirdest thing. Look at this. This is a foam that will color your hair. Yeah, I got it at Sally's Beauty Supply. Do I need it? I am currently like a, oh, there you go. You can see it, like an orangey type of red, right? And I'm normally like a bold red, but I was just noticing this. So this looks like it's going to be from blonde to super red, kind of like the picture. That looks kind of orangey. I actually thought it was going to be red. So we're going to try it and see what this does to my hair. A foam that colors your hair. And it says the recommended time here is 30 minutes. But I think I'm going to leave it on probably for an hour, 45 minutes to an hour, because the lady at the store told me that she would recommend leaving it on for at least an hour. So let's dive into this. Oh, if you're wondering what it's called, obviously it's by Punky Color. It's called Sugar Cloud. Semi-permanent foaming hair color. Oh, in the color Licorice. You know, I always do these type of videos like right before I fly somewhere. So I'm actually going to Mexico City this afternoon. So I'm actually going to take you guys with me, not to Mexico City. I'm going to take you guys with me to the airport and things like that, so you can see the color in different lighting. But look, see, you can see, yeah, the orange is showing. Okay, so am I supposed to shake it? I am shaking it. I don't know if I'm supposed to. It says apply to clean, dry hair. This is a plastic top. There we go. Let's rock and roll. Man, I hope this doesn't stain my skin all over. Kind of like the Splat. You guys know Splat. Super pigmented color. But man, does it stain everywhere. Okay, so I'm going to comb my hair, not my scalp. I'm just kind of like barely brushing the scalp because I got to get all the hair. Barely touching the scalp, but let's get all the knots out. So when I comb this color through, I think I'm going to comb the foam through. It will be nice and evenly distributed. Okay, let's just see what it looks like. Oh, it's a total, look at that, my hand's straight up. 1000% foam. Is it me? Or it smells like candy. Wow. Okay. Does it change color or get brighter as I foam it out? Maybe some parts are a little bit more red than others. Maybe. No, it's about the same. I just dropped it on my counter. Great. Great. No. I need a napkin. The staining capability is very much so, because it just touched my counter for like 2 seconds and it looks like I have to put bleach on that. So I'm going to take this, make sure that none of that color touches. All right, let's continue. Obviously, I'm doing the top first. I wonder if I could just, there we go. Yeah, I could just like push it on the hair like that. Oh, no, we gotta bleed. Don't want that to spill. Ooh, don't want to get on my skin. I would say if you're intimidated by color, this might be great because it literally just, let's just squish it in the hair. 6 ounces, that's actually a lot. That's a lot. That's good to know. And I kind of think that if you don't use it all, then storing it is really easy because it's already mixed. And you just got to pump it. So I think it's easier if I grab it like this and then squish it like this so I don't have any fallout. Wow, I'm actually having high hopes for this because I feel like it's coloring the orange with the tint of red that I wanted. Oh no, not on my skin, not on my skin. I have a lot of product left. So if this works, this will be a win-win because I'll be able to use this bottle twice, saving me a ton of money. And I'm making sure that it is very wet in the product. But look, you can see it doesn't look as orangey, so let's hope. I'll see you guys in an hour. Before I pin it up, I want you to see this. I just combed through everything. That is pretty darn soaked. Look at that. That's great. So since I combed it through, the distribution is nice and even, and I don't believe I have missed any spots. So 1 hour. I'm gonna pin it up with this little clip, and I'll see you guys back in an hour. Okay, so it's been exactly 1 hour. Kind of looks dark, doesn't it? I wonder if it over deposited. I know some professional non-permanent colors, or when you leave them on too long, they over deposit, or maybe not. I still see red. Is it wet? Is it still wet? It's still wet. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna shower and we're gonna see what it looks like. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. Let's pull it down and see what it looks like. I will say I had to use a lot more conditioner than I have on from other products because it felt like it was a little bit more drying than other products. So I'm gonna let this towel dry, and then I'm gonna do my makeup and then come back and do my hair, and we're gonna see what this color actually looks like. Or is it orange? No, it doesn't look orange to me, but we'll see. I always cut it close, so close in time when I make these videos when I'm traveling. I literally have like 30 minutes to get out the door and pack. I do not see any orange, and I think that looks amazing. Amazing. Look at that. That is a huge difference from the orange that it was. But I'm going to straighten it and see what it looks like. Okay, so if we had any doubt that this Punky color sugar cloud was orange, what do you think? I think that I have to flat iron that part. But I don't think that looks orange, does it? What do you think? I think it turned out looking amazingly, amazingly beautiful red. Look at that. Even when I step back, you can see the tone, how it highlighted those orange pieces and how it made my dark. My dark is still dark, but it has that hint. Here's my dark orange. There you go. Well, there's my roots. Just like a tiny hint of red on the roots, tiny. But it took all those lighter pieces and made them beautiful. Like this beautiful, not deep. It's not deep. It's a deeper red. It's not like super electric. It's not this color. You get what I'm saying? It's not that color. Definitely not. But it's a gorgeous color. What do you think? Would you try it? I do like the fact that I have half a bottle left. So you definitely save money when getting something like this. I just had to use a lot more conditioner than I normally do because my hair got tangled really bad when I was washing it. So, oops. You let me know. Would you try it? Would you do it? I think the color looks beautiful. I think I might as well take a picture. I'm going to take a still from the video I made earlier before, and I'm going to take a photo right now. Is that orange? Nope. And we can compare the difference. I like doing photo by photo. Totally forgot to show you guys the back of the head, the back of my head, so you can see. Hopefully I didn't miss any spots. Okay, so here's the back of this.
Whose house are you gonna stay at?
Color looks great. And it looks really healthy. I put some product and I straightened it. It actually feels healthy. It just was it was just drying after I shampooed it. That's it. But look, it still looks great.